Hello everybody. Last time we completed our how to create a table in HTML. In this chapter, this is our table and list chapter. We already completed how to create a list, how to create a table, creating a small table, my first table. If you remember, last time we created our first table, second table. Today we are going to create a simple table. Even I was given you homework to create a timetable. Create a timetable like this. So in our textbook the coding is available. You should be practice for it. This is our color attribute. Table border equal to 4, align equal to right, and bg color equal to yellow. I want to give you simple demo of table border. So due to limited time, I just create a simple table which coding is available here. But we are unable to, due to time limitation of time. I was already coded this HTML coding. We just see the output of this coding. So this is a simple how to fulfill background color. Name of player, points earned. Disha 110 points, Sweetie 100 points, Gayatri 90 points. Suppose we want to change this background color, we just simple change the color here, light green. I want to change the table border, give the table border 7. BG color, I want to give here yellow color, we just write down here yellow. Spelling should be there properly, then just save it. This one is light green. Now see the output of this table. I just refresh it. Are you able to see? First one is yellow, second one is without color, third one is green color. See, the coding of this table is simple. Table border 7. So see the size of this table's border. The border is increased. So when I will write here only 2, the border will be small. Now see the change in border. I hope you will able to understand how to change the border color, border size. Now simple table row created, 2 table heading, row completed, table row again started, BG color, Disha and 110, Sweetie and 110. And Gayatri 1. BG color, which color you want to give, you just write down here. Now I am going to show you another table. Timetable. In our textbook there is a timetable example. Simple. Caption, font color equal to brown. This is our timetable. Caption over TH. TH start. TH means table heading. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These all will be come in one row. TR start. In first TR, TR close. So let's see the timetable. See, the color is brown. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is a table heading, so it's show in bold. 11 to 12, Math, Science, Gujarati. This is our timetable. Now suppose I want to increase one more row here, 11 to 12. I want to increase 12 to 1. So how we can do? We just copy this whole coding from 11 to 1. See, so just copy it. Control C. Because our periods are almost same. TD close. TR close. Now I will start new TR. What is mean by TR? Table row. I want to add this type of one row here. Same. Because our periods are generally same. I just change the time. I want to write here 12 to 1. Otherwise, I want to write here 10 to 11. We will put it before it. I hope you will be understand my content. What I want to explain you. I want to write 10 to 11 period. So it will be here. TR close. Then new. Here our timing is 10 to 11. Now we just refresh it. See 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. Now we just need to change the subject. 10 to 11 maths, then 11 to 12, it will be science. 10 to 11, it will be maths. We just update the location of this period. Then it will be maths. The same period will never will be going to. I hope you will be able to understand. Now see the output. Maths, science. Science, maths. So this way you are be able to change the period. Monday 10 to 11 maths, 11 to 12 science. Here we will change 12 to 1. So this way we will update the content of our table. Here we will, if you want to give TR BG color 11 to 12, BG color equal to what can I do? I just give the background color to this row. So are you able to see particular row is with aqua color. So this is a simple timetable. This example is already given in our table. You should be know how to create a table. The whole chapter is almost practical table. So what is align attribute? The text align. You want to left align, right align, center align, justify align. You just decide at the time of creating table. So table row tag. Row tag, what is? Row tag is used to display the row in table. Underline this line. Align attribute. The align attribute indicates the position of the content of all cells in the row. Underline this line also. Align equal to whatever, left, right, center, we can write this way. Same way BG color. Earlier we have seen BG color attribute to paint background of the table giving by the color code in hexadecimal or name. Generally we are using hexadecimal code. But now in this example I just write the directly name. So this is our simple table with background color. Vertical align. In table there are two type of alignment is there, vertical and horizontal. Horizontal, that means left right align, and vertical means at the top of the row, at the bottom of the row, at the middle of the row. So this is called vertical attributes. So this is also one table. There is one nested table. This is called inner table or nested table. What do you mean by inner table? Table into another table into first table is called inner table. So are you able to see this inner table? Table 1, morning, afternoon, and this is the inner table. So I just created the coding here, nested table. Inner table is also called nested table. Table border equal to 4, conference and caption. Table row start, width equal to 4 for morning, afternoon. There are two table header, morning and afternoon. Same way, day 1 inauguration. For inner table, they are not closed this row in TD, in paper presentation. Table border equal to 1, BG color equal to trim, frame equal to box, align equal to right. See, inner table, caption, TR, teacher student, TR close. So this is a simple coding of inner table. Now we will see the coding of output of the inner nested table. So this is the output of the nested table. Table into another table. Today we see table color, how to give background color, timetable which is already given into our textbook, and nested table. So this is a very important content of this chapter. You must be practice yourself. Example of a table. You will be prepare the practice of this table. Already coding is there. I hope you will be continue this coding. If I got time, I will try to complete it. But this is your responsibility. For practical session, the content are given to these like this. In our practical exam, I will ask from any of these. What is how to create a table, how to complete it. Here I am completed this chapter. We conclude it. You must be write all questions and answer in your notebook. I hope you will be continue all this content properly. See, this is a lab exercise. Write a HTML code, define a table showing name of your friends. So you should try to update it. I hope you should be clear each and every point. Thank you. I am concluding here. Thank you everybody.